Sophie is having carrots and is not entirely certain about the flavor. Let's have some carrots. Yum, carrots. Mommy and Daddy love carrots. They're delicious. Carrots are super duper tasty.
Here they come.
Carrots! 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 Oh no! No! Carrots are delicious! Carrots are delicious! Let's have some more carrots. Carrots! Carrots! Oh, we don't want carrots. Carrots! Num 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 num. Num 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 num. Delicious carrots.
There's some more. There's some more.
One more time for the camera. Carrots, carrots, carrots. Oh, Sophie. Carrots. How does Deborah feel about the carrots?
She's doing a little bit of spinning, but otherwise is getting them all down.
Oh, good.